Did you know that a single loading operation error can result in losses exceeding $10 million, yet 65% of marine terminal incidents are attributed to inadequate loading master expertise? Organizations face significant risks during cargo transfer operations. Without properly certified loading masters, terminals experience costly delays, safety incidents, and compliance violations. This leads to insurance premium hikes, damaged customer relationships, and potential environmental disasters. Loading supervisors often feel overwhelmed by the complexity of modern loading operations. Teams struggle with coordination between ship and shore, documentation requirements, and emergency response procedures. This creates stress, safety risks, and inefficient terminal operations. This certification program develops expert loading masters who ensure safe and efficient cargo transfers. It provides comprehensive training in loading calculations, safety protocols, and regulatory compliance for oil, gas, and petrochemical products. Participants master custody transfer measurements, learn advanced loading techniques, and develop expertise in emergency management. The course combines classroom theory with practical exercises using terminal simulation software. Organizations experience improved operational efficiency and safety records. Loading operations run smoothly with fewer delays and incidents. Regulatory compliance strengthens while customer satisfaction increases through professional cargo handling. For individuals and teams, the impact is significant. Loading masters gain confidence in handling complex operations. Teams work more cohesively with better communication between ship and shore personnel. Career advancement opportunities expand in this specialized field. Ready to become an expert loading master? Enroll today and transform your terminal operations through enhanced expertise and safety performance.